Hey, I'm Philly P. Welcome to the channel. If it's your first time here, please make sure to like and subscribe. With us today, we have Dozen Demons, Demon number 3 from Wild Dragon Fireworks. Pick this up at Moapa Fireworks. I will put their address in the description if you guys are interested in heading up there. Can't remember what I paid for this. It was tax-free, I do know that. For the performance, it's 25 shots of red, green, sea blue, yellow pearls with white glittering and with silver chrysanthemum. It's a 200-gram cake. That's pretty much all about it. Let's get out there and light it up and see how it does.